What's going on, everybody? TG here. We got to talk about 180 Life Sciences Corp. This is a biotech company that is doing revolutionary things in the medicine and health space. I've been watching this company for a while, actually, and I'm very mad I never pulled the trigger and bought. But for those who have made very good profits in the recent months. Year to date, the stock is up huge, over 270%. One of the reasons I really like this company is that for what they are doing. If we go ahead and look at their website, they are developing new treatments for one of the world's biggest drivers of disease, inflammation. The company consists of 3 programs developing novel drugs for treating distinct inflammatory diseases. These programs are led by world scientists and prestigious universities who have already developed blockbuster drugs and made groundbreaking discoveries in their fields. One of these programs is conducting a 2B3 trial and expecting results of first quarter Q4 2021. So somewhat soon, these trials are going to end, and we're going to start seeing results from that, which is huge. If we go ahead and actually look at the development programs, they have a lot going on right now. For those of you who don't know a lot about medicine and stuff, essentially what they're targeting is inflammation and arthritis, and a couple of other like different type of smoking and inflammation diseases out there. But the near term as well, they have stuff for Dupuytren's disease, which is actually going to come out soon. If we go ahead and look right now, their Dupuytren's disease is expecting results in Q4 of 2020, which could be huge. Also, their frozen shoulder and POCD as well, coming sometime in the near future. So they have a lot of stuff coming, and obviously stuff down the road as well. So when you invest in this company, you're not only getting these potential results, you're also getting the pipeline of long-lasting disease that they're trying to conquer and take over. So it's one of the companies that you feel good about. You feel good about investing in because if they do something good, you're helping do something really good. Some of these diseases are very severe, and what these people are doing is truly amazing. And a lot of other companies believe that as well. If we look at institutional ownership, you have some big companies like Morgan Stanley, Credit Suisse, and BlackRock owning ownership of this. Not a huge stake, obviously, but if you go ahead and look at the market cap, it's not a big market cap either. Only 224 million for that market cap. And the run that this company's had is just incredible. But it's still down a little bit, from what happened back in October, where they had a failed trial and this thing really just took a big hit. But I think this company's on the rebound, and I think it's a great drug that you want to own. They have a big pipeline of drugs that are in preventive diseases and stuff that can really make a positive impact on society. And I think it's going to be really good, especially this anti-TNF. I think that's going to be huge, and I think this company can do a very good job. Now, this is one of the companies you don't want to put a huge chunk in, just because it is so speculative. You don't know if these drugs are going to work or not, but it is definitely worth taking a small position in, because if it does work out, it will work out very, very big. So go ahead, definitely check this stock out. Trading at decent volumes and decent highs right now. Obviously up a little bit from where it was, when you look at it back when October, November. But overall, I still think this stock is a solid company for the future, with a very small market cap. Thus, meaning you can have a big upside if one of these drugs works to a potentially billion-dollar company at least. So, watching this thing very closely and seeing what happens. So, I'm excited. I like this company, and if it does have a pullback, I'm gonna go ahead and enter a position in probably about 100 shares or maybe 200, depending on how much it drops. But anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on ATNF. Go check it out and have a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.